Be ready. 5 seconds. Start. Honorable Speaker, I rise today to address this august House on a matter of great importance, the Jammu and Kashmir Local Bodies Laws Amendment Bill 2024. This bill is a significant step toward strengthening grassroots democracy in the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir, ensuring the empowerment of local bodies and providing an effective governance structure that is both accountable and responsive to the aspirations of the people. The passage of this bill is a momentous occasion in our collective journey towards the full realization of democratic principles in Jammu and Kashmir. Over the past few years, we have witnessed transformative changes in the region. Following the abrogation of Article 370 and the reorganization of Jammu and Kashmir into a union territory, the introduction of this bill is a continuation of our commitment to deepening democratic participation and enabling self-governance at the grassroots level. At the heart of this bill is the strengthening of local self-governance institutions, municipal corporations, municipal councils, and Panchayati Raj institutions. The bill seeks to amend existing laws to provide for greater devolution of powers, financial autonomy, and a framework that allows local bodies to function with efficiency and transparency. The people of Jammu and Kashmir have long yearned for an administrative setup that truly represents their voices, and this bill is a crucial step in that direction. For far too long, local bodies in Jammu and Kashmir have faced challenges in terms of authority, funding, and operational efficiency. Elected representatives at the municipal and panchayat levels have often struggled due to inadequate delegation of powers, thereby limiting their capacity to address pressing civic and developmental issues. This amendment seeks to rectify these concerns by ensuring that local bodies have the necessary legislative backing of function independently and effectively. One of the most critical aspects of this bill is its focus on financial empowerment. In the absence of adequate financial resources, even the most well-intentioned policies and programs remain unimplemented. Through this amendment, we propose a structured financial framework wherein local bodies will receive their due share of funds directly without excessive bureaucratic interference. This will enable them to undertake developmental projects, improve public services, and enhance infrastructure in their respective areas. Moreover, the bill introduces provisions to enhance accountability and transparency in local governance. The inclusion of digital platforms for grievance, redressal, mandatory public disclosures, and regular audits will ensure that corruption and inefficiencies are minimized. A transparent and accountable governance mechanism will not only restore public confidence but also encourage greater citizen participation in decision-making processes. This amendment also paves the way for greater participation of women and marginalized communities in local governance. By providing reservations and ensuring that underrepresented sections of society have a voice in decision making, we are fulfilling our constitutional obligation of inclusive governance. Jammu and Kashmir is a land of diverse communities, and it is imperative that every segment of society has an opportunity to contribute to its progress. Another crucial aspect of this bill is its emphasis on urban and rural planning. We recognize that the region has unique geographical and infrastructural challenges. To address these, the bill includes provisions that will enable municipalities and panchayats to work collaboratively with planning and development agencies to create sustainable and people-centric urban and rural environments. Whether it is sanitation, waste management, road connectivity, or access to clean drinking water, the power to make decisions at the local level will greatly enhance service delivery and ensure that the benefits of development reach every household. In addition to structural reforms, this bill underscores the importance of capacity building and training for local body representatives. It is not enough to merely grant powers. We must also ensure that those entrusted with these responsibilities are equipped with the knowledge and skills required to execute their duties effectively. Therefore, we propose the establishment of training institutes and partnerships with national and international organizations to enhance the capabilities of municipal and panchayat officials. The Jammu and Kashmir Local Bodies Laws Amendment Bill 2024 is not just about governance, it is about restoring faith in democratic institutions. By enabling citizens to directly participate in decision making through empowered local bodies, we are fostering a political structure that is democratic, transparent, and people centric. It is our firm belief that democracy is strongest when it is closest to the people, and this bill ensures precisely that. While the intent of this bill is clear, I must acknowledge that challenges remain. The successful implementation of these amendments will require the cooperation of all stakeholders, including the administration, local leaders, and civil society organizations. There may be resistance from those who benefited from the previous bureaucratic setup, but we must refrain steadfast in our commitment to democratic values. The government will work in close coordination with all relevant stakeholders to ensure that the transition to this new governance structure is smooth and effective.